What's up guys, Spiritual Lemonade back with another video. Today we're checking out Home by Txylor3x. I think that's how you say it. We haven't checked his stuff out before, but he dropped this 11 days ago, so it's fairly new. He requested this one. So yeah, we'll get right into this one. But before we do, remember, when life gives us lemons, we praise the Lord. And when life takes our lemons, we still praise the Lord. Home, Txylor3x. Let's go.
You soaring.
Yeah, if I go home today, green pastures is where I lay. This life really leaving it strange about me. Yeah, hit it when it rains. Evil thoughts up in my brain. All my cuss up in the rain. Not in the mood, you don't need to be rude. I know you the truth. If I give up my soul and do again, you gon' make me I can sing, but I'ma push right through the rain. I'ma stay in my own lane. Pull out that brother, it got red. Kill a demon, ain't no stain. I know that they go ahead, but I ain't gon' take no bait.
I'm trying to figure out who he kind of sounds like to me. It's not really Juice WRLD, it's someone similar to him though. But I like the sound of this one.
Yeah, I've been at a game. I need sunshine in my face. Saying demons every day. I don't need another rage. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. If I go home today, green pastures is where I lay. This life really leaving it strange about me. Yeah, hit it when it rains. Evil thoughts up in my brain. All my cuss up in the rain. Whoa, whoa.
Switch up.
Jealousy made another one. You soaring.
Yeah, if we go home today, green pastures is where I lay. This life really leaving it strange about me.
Alright, that was Home again by Txylor3x. I really liked that one. That was kind of different than some things that we check out on the channel. It was like that nice melodic flow, and it definitely had like an underground feel to it as well. Yeah, I'm trying to think of who that kind of sounds like, and I don't know if it sounds like exactly someone that I listened to already. So he's got a new sound. All of his links will be in the description if you want to go check him out. His SoundCloud, his Instagram, definitely go check him out on those platforms. I'm gonna follow him back right now. All of my links will be in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here to the channel, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos like this. If you need prayer or have any questions about the Bible or your walk with Christ, DM me on Instagram. I'd love to start a conversation with you guys over there. And yeah, go be fruitful. Let's go.